My hair is doing something interesting for this video, and I think I'm okay with it. So today we're going to be talking about lactic acid fermentation. This is the process by which you introduce your vegetable of choice to a salt solution around 1 to 4%, allowing the lactic acid bacteria to flourish. This increases the lactic acid in the brine, lowering the pH and stopping any nasties from flourishing. For instance, Clostridium botulinum has a pH tolerance of 4.6. Below that, it can't grow. Trust me, I'm a microbiologist. Well, bitch-ass media technician, close enough. So we have a few things that we're going to taste, and we're going to show off. And I also have a whole bunch of tasting spoons, because, you know, you can't have enough of those.
Spoons.
First thing I'm going to show off is my kimchi and my kakdegi. Both of these are Korean products, and they're both basically the same thing, except one is made with napa cabbage, the other is made with Korean radish. They both contain the same ingredients. These are garlic, ginger, green onions, fish sauce, and saljot. Now, important thing to note here, in Australia, Korean products have an enormous markup. It's kind of huge. For instance, a small bottle of saljot, salted shrimp, is about their size. It's like $10. It's really expensive. This is chinchalok shrimp paste. Basically the same thing. You can see the little eyeballs, don't you love it? Disgusting. Because, you know, let's ferment that too. Why the hell not? So, let's have a taste of the kimchi first. This is about a year old. It's going to be disgusting. It's incredibly sour, so let's grab a big old piece. It's so sour. I'm getting nothing but sour. Well, I'm getting other things, but sour is predominant. You can't eat that straight off the bat. You have to cook with it. Kimchi jjigae, kimchi jjigae. When I originally made it, it had another bottle of that size and 2 small Tupperware containers, and I plowed through that pretty quickly. And next one is the kakdegi. This is a vicious red. I absolutely love this. It's a little bit too salty, but it's quite sweet. And I've been adding this to just about everything. I love this as a side dish. A little bit too salty. Good sweetness. So much flavor. God damn. That is awesome. I love it. Holy crap. Most of you probably would be aware of what the hell this is, because if you're watching this, you'll probably watch Bradley Ernie as well. Honey fermented garlic. It fills up a room, and from all in that room over there, Mum will just yell out, "What the fuck is that smell? That's disgusting! Put it away!" I'm a little nervous. Actually, let's taste the honey first before you go right to the garlic. The honey is delicious. That is delicious. That makes me happy. That would go amazingly on fried chicken, I reckon. This is about 2 weeks old now, and it hasn't sunk to the bottom yet, but some of the garlic pieces have gone through the enzymic reaction where they turn a little bit green. There's this one here. I'm not sure how well you can see it. I can't see it. So let's have a try of one of these. I don't want to go with a piece too big. Oh, yep, that's a little piece. Let's go with that. No. Oh, no. Fuck. It's not, like, rotten or anything. It just tastes fucking bad. Alright, back on the garlic. Well, still on garlic. This is torchisia. It's not a lactic acid fermentation. It's just garlic, sun-dried tomatoes, honey, and salt in red wine vinegar. That's all it is. It's super simple. Amazing aroma. Would go like the honey fermented garlic. The brine is absolutely delicious. It's friggin' amazing. It will go perfect on a salad. Maybe thickened with a little bit of olive oil, something like that. That is really nice. Now let's taste a little bit of the garlic. Is there a small piece in here? It doesn't look like there's a small... Oh, no, we'll go with that one. Okay. How does the garlic taste? It's gone through a really pretty color. Quite like that. That's really nice. I don't see the point. It doesn't have a lot of flavor. It's squeaking against my teeth, which is making the inside of my head. Apparently this is a huge delicacy in Iran. Typically served on Nowruz, the Persian New Year. It's not bad, but it doesn't wow me either. I do have another thing. Now, this is a second type of torchy sear. It was made a few weeks ago. Oh, it is actually going through the enzymatic process. You might be able to see it, and that is actually completely normal. It's the same recipe as that one, except I boiled the garlic for a little bit inside a solution of balsamic vinegar and red wine vinegar, honey and salt, a little bit of thyme and some barberries. Similar flavor, but the introduction of the barberries makes it a little bit sour. Maybe it's a little bit sweeter. It's not, wouldn't be as good on salad, I know that. But this is going to age for quite a long time. What's going to upset me is that by the time I'm ready to use this in about like a year or so, it's going to be bland or something. I just know it. I know my fucking luck. It's going to be boring. We have... I want to make my own hot sauce because I discovered Frank's hot sauce the other day. It's absolutely amazing. I am making green hot sauce, and here is just about 300 grams of green cayenne chilies, about 5 cloves of garlic, should add more. And it is active. It is really active. I put some Glad wrap over the top, and there's bubbles everywhere. And what else do I have to show? The very last thing I have to show is Kvass. Woo! So, this is about a kilo worth of Kvass, 6 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of sugar, a knob of ginger, a knob of turmeric, and some bullhorn chili. Pretty simple. And this has been going for about a week and 5 days, I'd say. Have a taste. Pretty good. Earthy, tangy. I might let that go for a little bit longer. Actually, no. I'm gonna bottle it. Alright. Our sugar solution has cooled down now. We're gonna add in 2.5 tablespoons. This isn't gonna end badly for me. I have to leave enough headspace, so... Hello! Oh, fuck. Right, that's balled up. I was so fucking noticing. I think I am happy with that. Yeah. Fuck's sake. Okay. We're gonna bottle this up. Hopefully I didn't lose too much of that sugar syrup. And hopefully we'll get some carbonation and it won't explode. I put them in an old bathtub so if they explode I won't have to deal with too much of a mess. Sometimes it's hard being this clever. Alright, I just got home. I'm going on a 6-day week, which is good fun. And it has been a week since I have bottled this. So, let's crack it open and pray to God that there was carbonation. Oh! And, oh shit! I mean, a little. I think yeast got on the top of it. Fuck. Oh, yeah, I think it's yeast on it or something. You can see it. I'm gonna take one sip. I'm gonna spit it out. Okay. There's floaties in there. Right, so I poured it out. And there's floaties in it. That's attractive. It was very, very, very weird. It had soured quite intensely. I wasn't very happy with that. The flavor itself, I should have bottled up a little bit earlier, I reckon, and used a little bit less sugar because it was a little too sweet. I didn't have the saltiness issue as Brad did. Either way, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, leave a sub, and maybe we'll do this again. So this is the lacto fermented hot sauce. It fermented for about 2 weeks. I did a very similar way that Joshua Weissman did, in that I blended it up with about half a cup of malt vinegar. He used white. I added a pinch of sugar and used some of that toasted garlic oil. I don't think I'm the biggest fan of toasted garlic. I personally think it tastes a little bit weird. I did strain it, and let's give this a taste. The thickness is, I didn't strain it. It's sort of not a liquid. It's a little bit thinner than I would like, to be honest. I should have used xanthan gum, I think, but I don't have that. But I would definitely have another go at this, so actually. It had a really good start, a lot of body, and faded away pretty quickly. Well, there's the garlic. A little bit sweet, perfectly seasoned. Oh, the heat is right up there. It's very high, but it's tolerable, just. That is quite nice. I'm not sure that I would make it again. I think I'd just like buy some because it's easier. But if I figure out the perfect combination of spices, that I will go completely apeshit over a concoction. Yeah. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, leave a sub, and hopefully I'll get back to you next time.